So in this video, I'm going to show you something which I use a lot in my day-to-day task. So hey guys, this is Vishwet. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So I have made one video using the split functionality that I have shown you previously. Now there is another functionality. Strangely, I use that more than the split functionality. So I have shown you the split functionality. Okay. If you have not watched the video, I do recommend you watch it. If you know it, well and good. Technically, there is another functionality which is same as a split functionality, and strangely I use that function a lot, which is the R split. There is a subtle difference among them, okay, and we'll talk about that. There is nothing called as L split, okay. There is nothing called as L split because our split functionality works same as an L split, okay. By the way, L split means left split, R split means right split. So we'll take a look. So I have an example with me copied, which is the string that contains list of, I should say, string containing city names, okay, separated by comma and space. Okay, so if I just do cities, let me do one thing. Let me restart and clear my output. Everything is cleared, but I just want to restart my kernel. So let's suppose there is a list of cities. Okay, pretty simple. I have shown you that if I want to split this, I have a string of cities, I should say, a string containing the names of cities, and I want to split this string into particular list of cities. So it's pretty simple. Cities.split. And since there is comma and space, I'll split with comma and space. Okay. So Bangalore, Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Pune all got splitted. Okay. Just make sure there is a space, comma and space. Then only you can split it like this. Else, if there is no space and you are trying to split, maybe if there is no space over here, and you are trying to split on the basis of comma and space, yeah, it will ruin your string, as I said. So now it's Bangalore, Hyderabad, Delhi, and Mumbai together, Kolkata, Pune together. Yeah, probably you should take this into account, right? So now, let's suppose this is the split functionality that I have shown you. Okay, so there is this R split, which I use a lot. Now, if you take care of the split functionality, and by taking care, I mean, if you look carefully towards the max split functionality, if I do max split as 1, if I do shift enter, you can see the split is done for Bangalore first, and Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, they are a single part, right? So there are only two splits. One split, there is only one split, and you have two values. One over here, which is Bangalore, the other over here, right? Two values. One split. So if I cut this one string into one part, so I'll get two values, right? This whole string, if I cut it in between, I'll get two values, right? So likewise, if I do if I cut this particular string, I get two values: Bangalore, Bangalore one part, and Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata another part, right? So if you check, the split is done from the left side. So if I do max split as 1, the split was done from the left side, right? Bangalore was cut off from the rest of the cities, right? If I do 2, so now you can see Bangalore is cut off, Hyderabad is cut off. So there are two splits. So if you have a long stick, right? If you make two cuts over there, you will get three parts, right? Fine. So likewise, if I cut this whole string into two parts, I'll get three values, which is Bangalore, Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Pune. The split happens from the left side, right? If I do 3, now Delhi will get separated. If I do 4, Mumbai will get separated, right? So the split happens from the left side. Now, What if I want to split from the right hand side? For that, we have the strip r split functionality. Okay, r split. Now, if I do r split comma, now here is something very critical. If I just do cities dot r split comma and space, okay, I mean we have the separation, right? Or I should say delimiters, anything which you understand. So if I just do shift and enter, strangely, it behaves like a split function. So if I remove this, if I execute this one and this one behaves same. So if I just press shift enter, shift enter, shift enter, split and r split behaves the same way. So where is the difference? Where is the difference, right? So the difference is when you use r split, okay, if you don't pass the max split argument, it will behave same as the split functionality. And when you pass this split argument, for example, I want to split it maybe once. So now you can see we have all the cities. We have all the cities: the Bangalore, Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata on one side, and Pune the other side, right? But other side, I mean, this got separated. Pune got separated from rest of the cities, right? So if I do 2, now Pune and Kolkata got separated. If I do 3, now Mumbai got separated, right? So splits it, fine. If you pass an argument to it, it will split from left side. If I do max split equal to 3, see, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Delhi, okay, it split it from the left hand side. And if I do r split, it got split from the right hand side. Okay, this is something you need to know. Okay, this is very interesting. Like when you will, like after you come to know about r split, like when you know about r split, there might be multiple scenarios where you will feel that r split is the one you should go for. Let's take one small scenario. I should say it's actually important scenario. I have something called as path. Okay, I have maybe inside my path, let's suppose I have bin, I have etc, I have maybe dir, and I have maybe a file name .txt. Pretty simple, right? Pretty simple. So if I tell someone, okay, do one thing, give me this particular file name, right? I want to pick up the particular file name, right, from this particular path. This is consider this as a path, okay, path in my system, and I want to pick up the particular file name. So how we can do it? If I tell someone, most of the people I know what they will do, split on the basis of slash, okay, and okay, this all the paths got split, so we have bin etc dir file name.txt, and they will do a -1. Okay, if you are smart enough, you can do a -1 and done, boom, file name. Okay, this works just fine. Okay, but I would love to see someone using r split. If you do r split, okay, and if you do slash, fine, you get this, okay, and if you do max split as 1, okay, you get this, and if you do this as maybe 1, it works. I know this looks a little bit more than this, but trust me, r split makes sense in these scenarios. I mean, it's your choice which one you would like to use, okay, but I would recommend try to use r split. Okay, so this is the difference from the regular split and r split, okay, which I use on a day-to-day basis. So if you are learning Python and you know about the split function, but you have never heard of the r split, I do recommend you can check it out. Okay, practice r split It is pretty simple. And if you are already a good developer, well and good. If you are not, if you have not used RSplit, I do highly encourage you, please use it. Okay. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please do press the like button, and I'll see you in an awesome upcoming programming video.